Today we're going to test the Osmo Action in a Tesla. And here he is, the man of the hour, Jan.
Hey, what's up?
How's it going, man?
Good, how are you?
Good. So today we're going to drive this Tesla Model S, do some drone flying and Osmo Action filming, maybe do a little bit of Autobahn speeding.
Yeah.
But it's not considered speeding because it's legal. For this first test, the Osmo Action is on the right side of the car, mounted with a suction cup, and the GoPro Hero 7 Black is mounted on the left side. The wind noise is pretty obnoxious, so I won't let you suffer through that too much. For this next test, we've got both cameras mounted on the inside of the vehicle, and I'm pretty sure that on the Osmo Action the D-Warp got disabled on this clip, unfortunately. What can we do with this beautiful scenery and this road right here? Oh, I know. Okay, that was nearly impossible to keep the car in the frame with the Osmo Action mounted on top of the Mavic 2 Pro. Maybe we better let the Mavic 2 Pro do the aerial filming. And today, a first on this channel, I drive my first Tesla. Alter Schwede. The brakes are a little touchy.
You don't brake.
You don't brake.
No, you just lose the gas. You can adjust how sensitive the recuperation was.
Can't wait to give it the beans. And it runs on the tears of squirrels. Alright, so let's do 0 to 60. In 3, 2, 1. Done. The Jan is just eating nuts over here.
You know.
Are we doing a rolling start from 127? Here we go.
Slow Mercedes on the way. Question, why are you in the left lane?
Out of the way, es ist die Autobahn! Ist ein Stuttgarter, ja? Fährt immer linke Spur. Oh, come on, before we get to the construction. 52% battery left.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Got my power bank in the back.
This video is brought to you by Anchor. Based on battery temperatures, the Tesla can limit the maximum output. Since we've been hitting it pretty hard, the magical kilometers per hour we're aiming for is 215. Now all we need is just an open stretch of road. We did it. 135 miles an hour. Not too shabby for a large electric go-kart.
But you cannot fully charge it in 5 minutes. No, not yet.
Let's check out some of the comments from the previous video. Jonas says, nice, you've got the DJI Osmo Action. I sure do, buddy. Stay tuned for even more videos with it. Rod Piker wrote, great video and information, thanks. No worries, man. Can't wait to see you in the next one. And another one of our regulars, Ard or ARD. I never know how to say your handle, man. Thanks for tuning in. Andreas likes my channel. Super! I like it too. Thanks, man. Daniel Z thought the Osmo Action was just going to be a rumor and says he should have waited before buying. Oh well, next time, man. You'll get it. SJM says it's not for him, partially due to that front screen issue. I'm going to cover that in detail in one of my future videos, so stay tuned. And thank you very much to Drone Paceages. Hey, if you enjoyed that video, give this video a like, and let me know in the comments below what you thought about the Osmo Action recording compared to the GoPro Hero 7 Black, and also of the Tesla. Did you enjoy that video? Let me know below. And feel free to check out some of the other amazing content I created on this channel. Here's a couple things to get you started.